Morning students, we'll start with the next compound, that is the bleaching powder. Now before I start bleaching powder, what now we are going to study is the uses of chlorine gas. Now if you recollect, this chlorine gas was produced from brine, okay, here at anode, okay. Now if you see here, these are the uses of chlorine gas which we already studied. Now we are going to study the chemical uses of chlorine gas, okay. So there are three chemical uses of chlorine gas. One is bleaching powder, other is baking soda, and the third one is washing soda, okay. So first we come to bleaching powder. Now the chemical formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2, okay. So this is the chemical formula of bleaching powder, CaOCl2, okay. Now it is produced by trislakine, that is CaOH twice, that is calcium hydroxide, okay. So calcium hydroxide plus chlorine gives you CaOCl2, that is bleaching powder, okay. Now let us see the uses of bleaching powder. Now bleaching powder is used to bleach cotton and linen in textile industries, okay, and wood pulp in paper industries, okay, and also clothes which are washed and given to laundry, okay. It's also an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. And the third use is to make the drinking water free of germs. Now we go to the next compound, that is the baking soda. Now the chemical formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. This is also made from chlorine, okay. Now this is directly made from sodium chloride. Now here you see NaCl, that is the first raw material used, okay. Now sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, these are the four things used for preparing baking soda, okay. But you get two compounds, that is ammonium chloride and NaHCO3, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, okay. In this reaction we get two different compounds, okay. Now this baking soda is normally used in kitchen, okay. Your mom must be using it for making things crispy and all, okay. But apart from that, it has got another uses also, okay. That is for making baking powder, okay. Now there is a reaction with a mixture of baking soda plus a edible acid called as tartaric acid. So when you mix both of them, okay, there's a following reaction taking place, okay. That is sodium hydrogen carbonate plus this H plus is from any acid. Here you are taking tartaric acid, okay. That gives you carbon dioxide, water and sodium salt of acid, that is baking powder. Now this carbon dioxide produced during the reaction can cause the bakery items like bread or cakes, okay, their dough to rise and make them soft and spongy, okay. Now sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient as in antacids, okay, which is for relief of acidity. It's an alkaline thing, it's a basic thing, okay. So it neutralizes the excessive acid in the stomach and provides relief. The third use is it's used as soda acid fire extinguisher. So in fire extinguishers which are soda acid based, it is used in those extinguishers. Now before we go to the next compound, there is a small reaction here, okay, of sodium hydrogen carbonate. When you heat it, you get sodium carbonate, okay. Now this is what happens when you use this baking soda in cooking, okay. This heat releases these three things: sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide, okay. Now we go to the next compound, that is washing soda. The chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. This is the chemical formula of washing soda, okay. Now this is also obtained from sodium chloride. Now sodium carbonate, as we have already seen here in the previous reaction here, okay, that is heating of Sodium hydrogen carbonate gives you sodium carbonate. This sodium carbonate, okay, when you mix with water, that is 10 molecules of water, you get Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Okay, so it is obtained by recrystallization of sodium carbonate. So when you recrystallize sodium carbonate, you get washing soda. Okay, it's a basic salt. Turn the page. Now here you will see that sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate, they are used as a chemicals in many industrial processes. Right now they are not there in your course. Okay, so the general use of washing soda is used in manufacture of glass, soap and paper industry. Okay, that is, see the name of washing soda, again I am telling you it's sodium carbonate, but it has got 10 waters of crystallization. Okay, it is used in manufacture of sodium compounds like borax. Okay, now sodium carbonate can also be used as a cheap cleaning agent for domestic purposes, and it also removes the permanent hardness of water. Thank you.